What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $100 per day online with no startup costs, the 2019 edition. Now, before I get into the video content, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Also, hit that notification bell so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, the reason why I want to do this video is because this is one of my popular videos from last year, and I just want to do like an update video on this to share with you guys how you can still create $100 per day online with this method. And even if you have no money to start with, you can have success with this. You can have success with this. Now, it does require that you be consistent, okay? You can't do this for 2 days and fall off. You can't do this for 14 days and fall off. This is going to be a part of your daily routine from this point on if you want to have results with this, okay? So make sure that you dedicate 1 to 2 hours per day to building this so that way you can start to see the benefits from it. If you are half-assed in trying to build this, trust me, it's going to show your results or your lack of results pretty much, okay? So don't do that with your marketing. Give it 110%, show up, and that's how you're going to start having results with this, okay? So if you have been searching online trying to figure out ways to create a passive income online, one of the first things that you probably always hear is that you need to find a niche, okay? So, and I want to tell you the same thing, guys, okay? So figure out what niche that you want to, build with, okay? And 3 of the most popular niches are going to be, wealth, make money online type of niche, also health and fitness, and love and relationships pretty much, right? So that's where a lot of people are doing a lot of searches on when it comes onto online is that's what they primarily are searching for. For me, I'm in the make money online niche. So what I will be sharing with you in this example is with the make money online niche. Now, if you don't have any idea what niche you want to start in, start with the wealth and make money online niche. And if you decide that you want to do something at a later date, you're more than welcome to do that because you already have the foundation set. You already know what to do, and it'll make that process a lot smoother the next time when you build into another niche, okay? So what you want to do is you want to first create a YouTube channel. If you have a Gmail account, you automatically have a YouTube channel. Now, with a YouTube channel, you're going to basically be doing reviews on this YouTube channel. Do not worry if you don't like to have your face on camera. I'm going to let you guys know about a tool that you can use, that you can record your screen to do these reviews, and that way you don't have to worry about having your face on camera. So it's totally fine, okay? But with this YouTube channel, you're going to only be doing reviews of products, right? And you do not have to physically have to have the product in your hand in order to do a review on it, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go to jvzoo.com, and you also want to go to warriorplus.com. Now, any of the sites that I mentioned in this video, I will put in the description below so that way you can have access to it, and you can go ahead and create these accounts. Now, both of these websites are free to join. They're free to join. They're free to set up these accounts. Now, what you want to do is, once you have your free accounts, you want to come over here to these websites and you want to go to their best-selling products, okay? Now, with JVZoo, how you're able to find that is you come over here and you come over here where it says affiliates and click on find products. Now, once you have done that, it will land you on this page that we're currently looking at right now. Now, if you scroll like midway at the top of the page, you're going to see where it says recent bestsellers. And it's going to have it listed by today, past 7 days, past 30 days. So you can click any of those, and they're all going to take you to the same page, okay? So you're going to see the top 10 selling products for today, yesterday, last 7 days, and the past 30 days. So what I would do is I would actually do reviews on the top 10 products for today. And then the ones that are not listed in for today, but they have some that are listed for today or the last 7 days, then I would do a review on those as well, okay? Now, what you want to do is, as you see right here, this is a product called StoryMate, and the reason why I'm showing you guys a result, not a result, but an example of this one, because this particular product just launched about a few days ago or whatever else, and it's one of the top selling products on JVZoo right now. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on where it says affiliate details. Now, once you have done that, the first thing you want to do is you want to request your link. I already have my links requested for this, but you're going to see something different. It's going to ask for you to to request permission in order to promote this product. So what you want to do is you want to let them know that you have a review channel on YouTube, that you want to do a review of this particular product for your YouTube channel and things like that as well. And they will send you either you'll get an email saying either if you have got approved to promote this product or you didn't get approved. Now the only reason why you probably would not have gotten approved is just because you're brand new. Okay, you're brand new. They have no sales history or anything like that to go by or whatever else. And in most cases, you probably will get approved, but you might get your commission set to delayed. And that's only because you don't have any sales history to go by or whatever else. So they can't pay you out instantly. Okay, that's the only reason why that will become an issue. And that's fine. Okay, you want to still go ahead, continue to promote products, and the more sales that you get, actually I think it's like 50. If you get like 50 sales on JVZoo, once you hit 50 sales, that threshold, then most cases you will start getting instant commissions. Okay, so just keep going along with the process. Submit your request for approval, and again, they will send you an email letting you know if you had got approved or not. And once you have gotten approved, log into your JVZoo, come back to the product, and you will see where you can get access to your links, like you can see right here. Now, once you have gotten approved to promote, what you want to do is you want to click on this green button where it says see the sales page. Now, once you are over here, now you're going to see the full sales page. Okay, so what you want to do is, and what I would recommend is that you get a notepad, or you get a notepad on your computer or whatever else, and jot down some notes. Now, you want to scroll through the page, watch the video, understand what the product is. Now, what you want to do in your review video is explain what the product is, why somebody needs it, what problem does it actually solve, and some things, some additional benefits that will actually stand out to make somebody want to whip out their credit card and buy. And you're going to get all of that information from these sales pages. These sales pages are really well thought out and well planned. They have spent a lot of money, usually with copywriters or whatever else, in order to create these sales pages. Okay, all the information that you're going to need in order to do a really good review, like an 8 to 10 minute review, is going to be listed on these sales pages. Okay, so that's what you would do, is come over here, check out everything, and get a really good detail of what the product is and why somebody should buy it. Okay, and it's going to be the same thing when we come over here to Warrior Plus. They have their products listed for the top sellers for today, yesterday, the last 7 days, the last 30 days. So all you would do is, again, you'll click on the actual product. You see if it kind of pulls up. You'll pull up the product, and again, go through the sales page. Okay, and you will still have the request to get affiliate to get your affiliate links as well, just how I showed you for JVZoo. Okay, and you'll come over here, you'll go through the sales page, jot down some notes, what the product is, what problem does it solve, what are some of the benefits that will make somebody want to pull out their credit card and buy this particular product. Okay, it's going to be the same thing, and you're going to give a full review, and you're going to record your screen, and you're just going to go to the sales page, and you're just going to give a full review and let people know, go through the sales page, give everybody your full review on it and everything else. You're basically kind of giving your own summary of the product pretty much in this review video. Okay, now what you would do in the video is, once you have completed your review, tell people to go underneath the video and in the description below and click on that link, so that way you can get more that way you can not get more updates, but that way you can purchase X and Y product pretty much. Okay, that's all you're going to do, guys. All right, so a prime example of this, if you go to YouTube and you do a search for Linsay Moore reviews, it's going to bring you here to a review channel that I had just created not that long ago, and this is what exactly what I'm doing. Right, so remember how I just showed you guys about StoryMate? Okay, remember this product? So this is what I did. I created a review video. That's the one thing when it comes to, and I'm talking about StoryMate. All right, so I'm letting people know what it is, what problem it solves, all that type of stuff like that. And I'm telling people, once if they want StoryMate, just to go underneath my video and click on the link. That's all I'm doing, guys. That's all you need to do. right? That's all you need to do. So even if you weren't in the make money online niche, let's say you're in the health niche, okay? So a really popular product in the health niche is Vitamix, okay? So think about, like, you know, when people need to blend up their protein shakes and all this type of stuff like that to eat healthier foods and everything like that. A real popular blender in the health and fitness niche is, or just in you know, people like in their kitchens in their homes, is a Vitamix, okay? So let's check out this video right here. If it pulls up. Okay, so we can see right here she's doing a review of the Vitamix blender. Now, you do not physically have to have the product in your hand in order to do a review on it, okay? You can create a slideshow, a picture slideshow. You can also outsource that to Fiverr or something like that or whatever, and give people a full review of the different Vitamixes out there, just like how she's doing right here. So she's sharing which you know, which type of Vitamix to buy. So she's giving like the pros and cons of the different versions of Vitamix. And if you were to go underneath her video in the description below, look what she has. She has links to a lot of the other products in her kitchen that people can buy through Amazon. So she's earning commissions there. And then also she's telling people to go to her blog to basically see the written version of her explaining each of these Vitamixes and a link to where you can purchase them. And you know that she's earning a sizable commission because look at how much these Vitamixes cost. This one costs $700, $500, $1,000, $1,500, $400, okay? So each time she is selling one or somebody is going through her link to purchase one, she's getting a sizable commission. And look at how many people have viewed this video. Over 142,000 people. Now, that doesn't mean 142,000 people purchased through here, but even if it was just like, you know, like 1,000 people who purchased through her link, she has made a sizable income from home just by doing reviews. That's all it takes, guys, okay? So the only tools that you need in order to make this happen, you need a free YouTube account. Again, if you have a Gmail account, then you automatically have a YouTube account, okay? Then you need to create a free account on JVZoo or warriorplus.com. If you want to do like this this woman is doing and promoting Vitamix, go to Vitamix.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page. So let me show you guys how you do that. So you go to Vitamix. So you go to Vitamix.com, you scroll down to the bottom of the page and you see where they have affiliates. And this is going to be the same for Amazon.com, Walmart, Target, any of those big box brands, even Best Buy or anything like that. You can just do reviews of electronics, cameras, anything like that. Go to those websites, scroll to the bottom of the page, become an affiliate. It's free to become an affiliate for these programs. And what you would do is you would simply do a review of the JVZoo product, the Warrior Plus product, the Vitamix, the Canon camera, anything like that, and then you'll always tell people to go in the description below and click on the link if they want to buy that product, okay? Now, in order for this to work, just how I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you need to make sure that you are doing this every single day, especially if you are brand new, because if you only do this once or just a handful of times, you're not going to get that many views to your channel. That's why I recommend that you do a video every single day. Now, in order for you to do this in the beginning, I highly recommend that you spend at least 1 to 2 hours per day, because in the beginning, it's just going to be you learning a few things, getting things set in order. But after you have done this a few times, it's going to take you less time to go ahead and do a review video, upload it to YouTube, and include your links in for that product, okay? It's going to go down from you spending maybe 1 to 2 hours per day to maybe even spending less than 1 hour per day doing a review video and setting this up. But you need to make sure that you're doing this every single day. Every single day, because that way you're going to start to get more views to your channel. Also, once you start getting more views to your channel, it'll also, put you to where you could possibly get your YouTube channel monetized from YouTube. So now that way you have 2 income streams now. So now you're getting income from the products that you're promoting on your review channel, but then also you can become a YouTube ad partner, and you can place ads before, after, and during your videos, and now you're getting a check from YouTube every month as well. Okay, guys? So that's as simple as it gets, guys. It costs you no money to set this up. Now, if you want to record your screen, you come over here to screencast-o-matic.com. Now, with this, you can record 15 minutes up for free. Now, if you want to record longer videos, You just need to pay the $15 fee, and that will last for the entire year. And you have the option to just record your screen, or to have the little box that you guys see me in right here, and it's showing your face as you're recording and doing your reviews. Okay, so it's totally up to you how you want to do it. Okay, but that's all you need, guys. That is all you need in order to get started to make $100 per day with with affiliate marketing, pretty much. And another reason why I say, like, with these products as well, with these products, like, you can see, like, some of these products cost anywhere from like $47. Some of these products, if you go onto JV Zoo, they may cost like maybe $10 to $12. The first product. But if somebody buys that product and they are actually introduced to another product, several products from that particular seller, and they can, if they purchase those products as well, you earn commissions from those as well. So that's just another way that you can generate more income as well too. Okay, so this is just really, really simple, guys. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them below, guys. If I need to do a more detailed video on this, just let me know. I think I got really as detailed as possible with this because it's really self-explanatory. As far as like you're just doing reviews, pretty much. Also hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Also, make sure you claim your free 4-part video series. It's a link below this video. I'm going to share with you in 4-part video series how to make $100 to $300 per day online. And then also, when you hit that page, make sure you insert your best email address, because I'm going to send you a free course that's worth $97. I'm sending it directly to your inbox, but you have to make sure that you included your best email address, guys. Okay, so again, that's the 2019 edition, how you can actually start making $100 per day online for free, no startup costs. Okay, guys, so until the next video, peace.